What's going on, guys? It's your boy Franklin. I've been away for a while and it feels good to be back. Right, this particular video is a very quick one. Okay, I'm doing a giveaway. I want to give away two beautiful unisex scarves, scarves that you can throw around your neck, and I'm gonna pick two winners. Okay, now this is opened to, if you're based anywhere in the world, pretty much I'll post it to you. Okay, and to know how to enter the giveaway, okay, for your chance to win one of these two scarves, just look in my description below, and then you see the instructions of what to do and how to take part in the giveaway. Okay, so I'm going to show you the scarves very quickly, and you can see what the quality is like, the color, and what you're potentially going to win. Okay, let's go.